light burn out. Get a little air in it. And a little smoke. Let me smell that Mickey Thompson. Okay, okay. Street talk, street talk. I smell it. Alright. You ready?
Yes, sir.
Alright. Boom. We back in drive.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's how we do it out here at Yello Belly.
Yeah.
Quit playing with us.
What you think, man?
Oh, boy, this bitch be gone.
Yeah.
Be gone,
What kind of car you got? It's faster than this?
07 V6 Mustang. It ain't nothing compared to this, boy.
Oh, okay, okay. Okay. Dang.
Boy say yes, sir, in the comments. All right, Tommy, I see you, boy.
Yeah.
Yo. Shit, his panty on white boy.
Yeah.
Shit, his pants on white boy. We see you. We see you.
Yeah, I'm finna go and park it to the side, man, because they keep telling my movie car. I'm not gonna freaking tell you again.
Right.
Movie car, dude. It still was spinning too.
Hey, Limpy, did he fart? Nah, Limpy, I'm good.
Appreciate it, man.
Had a heart attack, but I'm good.
Okay.
Yo. See, I can't even hold the face right. This bitch be taking off. He turned black real fast. This car runs on tacos. Best passenger seat camera guy so far.
Yeah. He holding that camera good, y'all.
If he drives a V6, he definitely sharted.
I need to park in the VIP.
Hey, yo, the homie Lookout.
Yeah, man, you make sure you tell all your friends and everything.
Yo, shout me out. Yo, Icy. Yo, let's get it. Follow me on Instagram. Yo. He be smiling from ear to ear. You damn straight. Alright, you already know. Yo, what's up, Nika? Yeah, Lookout. Hell yeah, Lookout Nation, boy.
I told y'all it was gonna be some, boy. I ain't come.
Cameraman could come to barbecue.
Shit. On Fridays and Saturdays, I ain't gonna be coming. Oh, well, they said there's gonna be another dude running it. And he said he think like running.
Yeah. Toluco, yeah, brother. Cameraman good. Yo.
What's up with it, man? Do I want the back time to hit? You gonna give it to me?
Chevy Caprice.
No, I ain't giving it to you. I'm finna move. I'm finna go park somewhere. Yeah, running talking about I can't park in VIP, y'all.
Ah, fuck
He
the
made up
VIP.
some new rule. Yeah, that one streamer with that fast Caprice, he's not gonna be able to park in there. Yeah, we're not gonna let him park there. We're gonna let the other media guys maybe. Let me see if any other media in there. We just don't want Lookout to be in there. Heck yeah, they let the other media in there. Why they won't let me in there? Yeah, it's because you didn't move your car.
Kill Willie, hell yeah, bro. I got street cred, yo.
You didn't move your car. Since you didn't move your car, you can't park in the VIP parking, guys, like the other streamers. Next time you come, move your car,
I don't know
buddy.
what you mean by that, brother. I don't know no ticket.
Move your car.
Haha, VIP is 5K parking.
Yeah.
Nah, hell nah. It's
I
unfortunate
gotta
out here.
have a 5K camera.
What's with all the rules? Man, you know how they be.
5K camera.
You know
I
how
sure
they be.
appreciate you, man.
Nah,
I hope you had a good time.
How to move.
It's moving. Okay, okay. I'm glad you think so. Okay.
Hey, bro, I fucks with you.
Already, man. Have a good one, man. Make sure you tell your friend.
Oh, hell yeah.
Tell your uncle. Everybody.
I'm on live too, boy.
Okay,
I'm
okay,
already
bet.
watching that bitch.
Yeah, it's a Caprice. Yeah. We got the real one, Limpy, guys. Let me see. Let me make sure he don't see me getting in right here. Yeah, you can't come through this gate, buddy. You have no pull here in Yello Belly. As long as I'm here for president. I don't want you parking over there and me and that other guy, we think alike. Shit.
I got it.
Oh, the security got it, y'all.
I got it, homie.
Okay, the security got it. Okay. Okay. Hey, look out, just came to the track. And he's coming talking smack. Look like a car broke down left lane. Hope that it ain't, he looks insane. Looks like he's hollering at the customers. I don't know why he's hollering at them though. Cause they just spectators. Should leave them alone cause they gonna get you aggravated. That's what they do. That's what they do. They get you aggravated. Get you aggravated. And we, oh, he wanna bet 1,000, y'all. He wanna bet 1,000. Oh, he said, bet you won't be here tomorrow. Oh, let me see his face. He won that. Look out, look out, hey! Look out, hey! Ooh, hey! What's up with it, man? Look out, what happened?
Would you tell him I already done whooped his ass out here?
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, he started crying.
Oh, man.
Get that bitch here.
Get it here.
Look out. I got it on his video.
Yeah, you got that?
Talk this shit.
Yeah.
I got it on his video.
Mike got it.
Show
Mike got it. I don't know, I'm trying to see something.
And matter of fact, when your shit gonna be ready?
When your shit, ooh.
When your shit gonna be ready?
They want to know when his shit gonna be ready, y'all. When is it gonna be ready? He probably one of them slow shots.
I called every one of you niggas that's sitting out here now. You ain't got no all pressure.
He'll call all y'all out, y'all.
Rock was fucked up. That's the only reason you.
Yeah, that's the only reason he talking.
Nigga, I whooped that ass at Cedar Creek too if you really want to be technical about it.
Yeah, look, huh?
Every Sunday I was there, what?
Yeah, every Sunday.
When you bet that down, what I say?
Come on with it.
You drive that bitch in here and whoop me out and let that bitch run off there in the track.
Yeah.
I didn't have to let it run off there in the track yet.
No.
Look out, can you see real
No,
good?
you did something.
I'm ready. Tell them lock that bullshit in.
Oh, you, oh.
Tell them lock that bullshit in.
Hey, man, y'all lock him, bro.
I got mine ready. Oh, you get the show award. Mine ready. I ain't showing no bitch.
Yeah, he get the show award. Okay, hey, they say Mike might get the show award. Yeah.
Tell me.
Yeah.
That's show car.
That's a show car?
Yeah. This is a show car. I'm going to show out on your ass, too. You
Yeah.
motherfucking shit you got.
Yeah.
I'm going to show right out on you. And you know what? I'm going to let you tie your ass.
He gonna let you touch. What?